Hey there, today I'll be showing you how I style my wavy medium textured hair. If you've got fine and medium textured waves, begin by cleansing your scalp with a gentle clarifying shampoo. If you're dealing with scalp dryness, I recommend our Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo for that extra hydration boost. Follow up with our super smooth cream conditioner to lock in moisture and smooth those strands. For those moments when I need to rid my hair of buildup, I turn to our turmeric purifying hair and scalp mask, followed by our luxurious Ayurvedic deep conditioner for that extra pampering. Next, I'll be using our moisture balance leave-in conditioner, followed by our light cold cream gel. Finish off with a spritz of hairspray and a light oil for that radiant shine. And there you have it, beautiful waves tailored to your unique hair texture. Remember, with the right products and techniques, your hair can be the ultimate accessory. Stay fabulous.